In this video, we are demonstrating how to refurbish the Samsung Note 9 broken screen. Hope you enjoy our sharing. Hi everyone, today we are introducing what tools and machines to use and how to refurbish Samsung Note 9 broken screen. Frozen separator machine, mold, heating separator machine, cutting wire, glue remover. First things first, test whether the display and the touch function works properly. All function works properly. Next, prepare to disassemble the broken screen. Put the broken screen in the frozen separator machine and freeze for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use the filler gauge to open the screen, then separate the LCD from the broken screen with the special plastic prying card. During the process, use appropriate hip turn for an easy separation. Retest the screen function after the middle frame and LCD are separated from the broken screen. Lay the screen on the heating separator machine to heat and clean it off. Install and test whether the touch works properly. Touch function works okay. Hit the screen again to separate the cover glass. For an easy cover glass separation, pry open a small gap at the corner of the screen with a plastic card. Reheat the screen on the heating separating machine. Carefully separate the cover glass from the screen with a cutting wire. After the separation, next, clean the screen adhesive. Put the screen on the heating separation machine, then clean the adhesive with the electronic glue remover. Finally, use the small sponge to clean the LCD. Apply the OCA tape on the new cover glass with the help of the mold. Then laminate the cover glass in the laminating machine. After laminating the OCA tape, debubble the cover glass. The whole debubbling process will take about 10 minutes, depending on the lamination result. Place the LCD in the mold, clean the dust off, then align the debubbled cover glass on the LCD. Laminate the screen again with the laminating machine. Debubble the laminated screen for at least 10 minutes in the debubbling machine. Take out the screen after debubbling and run through a function test. Function tested alright. Screen refurbish completed. Welcome to leave us a message if you have any question.